friends, quick video to show you the range of some of my saws. My favorite is the 26-inch Stanley here. It gets almost 2 octaves, which is good for most things. There's the low pitch. You can get a little lower if you are a pro, but I wouldn't count on much lower than that B flat. Then the high G. You can also get an A flat sometimes, but count on the G for sure. The Wentworth 30-inch baritone, quote, musical saw. It's a little flimsier, but it gets a lot more range. So you can hear your low note's going to be E flat 3. Sometimes you can get down to the D, but I kind of wanted to give you guys guaranteed pitches here. Next octave. And another octave. You can get a little bit higher than that G. You can get an A flat sometimes or an A, but count on the G.